Hi there, welcome to this video dedicated to CorelDRAW X7. We'll see here all you need to start in creating a document. Follow me gently as I take you through. Before starting, remember that you have the hint window on the right in case you have been bothered with something. In case you have been closed up, you can always open it again going to the windows above and to Dockers. You will see the hint there on the list. Create a new project. Just click on the icon that looks like a sheet of paper on the left. Here you can decide name, width and height, orientation and number of pages. Instead of using custom width and height values, make sure to use standard values. You can choose them going to side. This is important in case your project has to be printed or be uploaded in a website later. Just click OK. Let's see the workspace. On top you have different bars, the menu bar, the days, the classic bar that contains all the features of this software, the standard toolbar that contains all the options regarding opening, saving and visualization, and the property bar that contains all options related to the current tool selected. On the center you have your main workspace where you're going to work. On the left you have the toolbox that lists all the important tools successful facts, and on the right a list of further windows we will see. Create a generic line. You can use the first icon on the first section of the toolbox. Just click and drag to draw. You can zoom in and out using your mouse wheel and move through your project using the pen tool, clicking and dragging. The buttons in the toolbox may have deck. This means it has more than one tool in a single button. You can choose the right tool, holding and click on it, then select it. The tool that you are going to use is always shown on the button. So to activate the pen tool, choose the hand icon. CorelDRAW has other important tools to help you in drawing. You can enable or disable them from the standard toolbar. You can enable or disable the rules around your workspace, activate or not agreed, or the guides. It is better to keep the rules and guide active to make project more precise. You can do framing things with CorelDRAW. Create your own drawings or detach images or create a text paragraph. All you need to do in creating is inside the first section of the toolbox on the left. The first tool collects all to draw lines, curves, freehand tools, desire. Let's try freehand tools. Hold your click on while you draw, or else click twice and drag. 2-point line. Always draw a straight line segment. Just hold your click and drag. Bezier, pen, piece polyline, 3-point curve, then smart drawing. And now let's use the 3-point curve to draw curves. Example, you hold your click and drag. This is the initial segment, then you convert it to any shape you want. Polyline draws consecutive series of segments like this. You, you double click to finish drawing it. Artistic media tool, draw artistic traces, just like the freehand tool. Use the rectangle to draw and polygon drones to draw polygons or other special shapes. Hold your click on the button to choose other ways to draw them and the kind of shape you want to draw. Lines, curves, and polygons are totally created by the software and are also called the vector files. Keep in mind the property button top. Every time the tool is active, it lets you adjust the drawing options selected. For example, if you have artistic media on, you can change the kind of trace, yes, and so on. You see. In case you want to import a picture or modify them, you can click and drag them inside from your own folder. This is also called the bitmap file and is only managed through the bitmap section in the menu bar. Just make sure select the picture first, then go to bitmaps, then you adjust whether the brightness, contrast, and other settings there through the new window appearing there. Check the preview on the left. When you are done, just click OK below. If you don't like it, you can redo or undo it using the keyboard. Just press Ctrl Z on the keyboard to undo. You can also add effects on the pictures. Selecting one of these, it will change everything. And check how the effect, you set the effect well. All these can be managed in the same way. You can select them by using the pick and select while holding. If you click it and highlight it, or you can highlight everything or press shift and be selecting them, or you can select Ctrl Z to highlight everything. Just press escape key to undo the selection. You can highlight and delete any object. You can click on an object to block it if you don't want to move it or change it or edit it until you unlock it. Then it will allow you to edit it. This is the deleted button. This is the delete button. It doesn't work on artistic media trace. You can click any part of the shapes you want using the cleaner. You can cut it. This may seem independent, but indeed they do remain dependent. You can move them together. If you want to cut part of an image, the easiest way is to duplicate the image first. Then use the shape tool to drag the part, to cut off the part you don't need. You can also add a new node to create exciting shapes. Select an object, drag it or move it. If there are more objects selected, these will be all moved in the same way. This is how it works. If you click once on the object selected, then all becomes black arrow. You can use it to rotate or skew the object. You can move the object while using other tools. While you are using the pick tool, you can scale and press an object more precisely using the property bar. Type the precise number. Just press enter key to apply. Moreover, you can rotate the object selected. You can make it horizontal or vertical. Yes. You can set other options using the object properties on the right. You can add colors, the border, you can modify the structure color, or transparency or sound feeling. You can undo it. You see another effect. You can drag the pointer on the object and cut off the object. Very interesting. We have transparent tools, we have the drop shot tools. You have to just click it and drag just once. For example, you can add shadow using the drop shadow tool. Remember to use property bar to change the effect. The object properties on the right are always referred to the object itself and never on any effect in its flash. So if you want to edit the shadow in the future, you have to activate the shadow on the property bar, and so with any other effect. Key points are very useful while you draw, and they're indicated in blue color. Notes and angles in the bigger square, center poses, then midpoint. You can add text, then click the A icon on the toolbox, then you can drag on your workspace to create a text area. Example, hello. Click and drag on it to move the text. Use the black and the white notes to cite the text area. If it is too much small, the text will not be shown. Use the property bar to set the text properties. You can set the font size, the font style. You have to select the text to make the changes effective. See, you can pick it and drop it. You can select it. Each object is a sub-layer in each of the window. You can pick it up and bring it down. You can take it back, you can bring it to the front. You can place the text on the top or behind. This is how it works. Just click and drag it up or down. Then when you are done, save your project. Click on the save icon on the top. Choose the destination and the format. In case you save it as .cdr, you will save it as CorelDRAW project. This can be opened again by the software. It will appear in another sub-window right above the workspace. Thanks for watching this video.